In this video, you'll learn how to delete a Udemy course from your instructor account. By following these steps, you will successfully remove a course that you no longer wish to offer. First, log into your Udemy instructor account. Once you have entered your credentials and signed in, you will be directed to your instructor dashboard. This dashboard displays all the courses you have created, allowing you to manage them effectively. Next, locate the course you want to delete. Click on the course title to access its specific settings. After selecting the course, you will be taken to the course management section where various options related to the course are available. After that, look for the course settings option, which may be labeled as course management or simply settings. Within this section, you will find options related to the course, including the ability to delete or unpublish it. Selecting this option will prompt a confirmation message to ensure you want to proceed. When you choose to delete or unpublish the course, a warning will typically appear informing you of the consequences of this action. It is important to read this message carefully, as deleting a course is often irreversible. If you are certain about your decision, confirm the deletion to remove the course from the platform. Keep in mind that if your course has a significant number of enrolled students, you may want to consider unpublishing it instead of deleting it. Unpublishing will remove the course from public view while retaining the content and student data for future use. Always check your course's status and any associated student impact before proceeding with deletion. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.